Are you an avid photographer, especially an avid dental photographer? Are you taking a lot of pictures and then copying that memory card onto your computer or your laptop or whatever it is, and then having a problem where you're not able to find those photos which you need? Let me guess, you're taking those photos, you're connecting it to your computer, and you're just dragging and dropping all those files onto a folder, and then you lose track of it and you will never ever find it ever. That's not the right way to do things. So I'm going to show you now in this very short video how I manage my photos using software called Adobe Lightroom. Let's take a look at how it works. So what I like to use is Lightroom, and this is what you're looking at right now. So you can see in my library I have close to 10,000 photographs and I have all my patients over here. But I don't really need to remember their names because what I do is I go into this text box over here and I search for whatever I like. So I search for implant, and at the time of copying these photographs, these have been keyed in. So I've clicked on implant, and so all of the pictures related to implant dentistry will now show up. For example, this impression. Now, that's not the only trick that Lightroom has. Let's say you have a photo that looks a little bit dark like this. You can go into the develop module and then bump up the exposure and make the picture a lot better. You can also remove blemishes and spot corrections and things like that. So for example, let's say this is a piece of alginate. Let's imagine it's alginate. Of course, it's just hair, but we can always mask it out. So I click that and there you go. That spot's gone. So Lightroom is an immensely powerful tool which I think you need to start using if you want to have your photos organized. Guys, I hope this has been useful. Till the next time we meet, take care and have a nice day.